8:45 in the morning. That thing is done. I'm gonna head home and I'm gonna go to sleep. It's been a long day of work. It's great. I achieved a lot. I ground a load of your guys' hammers, made this fun die, put some lights up around the workshop, and got the flags back up. Thank you so much for watching, and I got bananas in my hand too, because I'm hungry. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow on the next one. Have a fantastic day. Hit subscribe, hit like, hit share, do all that fun stuff. See you tomorrow.